Ms. Perry, I'd like to ask, what are the different modes of public transit across North Carolina, and what are the benefits of public transportation to the state?
Okay, North Carolina has several options for individuals, whether you live in urban areas or rural areas. The larger cities operate buses, the larger buses that I think most people are familiar with in the transit industry, to vans that operate in counties as scarcely populated as Hyde County. In total, North Carolina has 99 public transportation systems that operate across the state, and each county has some form of public transportation. We also have a light rail system, the one that is currently in operation in Charlotte, North Carolina, the Lynx. And several of the transit systems also operate carpooling and van pooling systems. Last year, in fiscal year 2009, which is the most current year for which we have statistics, over 68 million people boarded public transportation in this state, and that was up over 6 million from the previous year.